Good afternoon. It's Jeffrey at imagineigo with my daily English diary for Monday, February 17th. Today is mostly sunny, but very cold. The weather has been pretty crazy lately. Last week it was rainy and warm, like spring. But yesterday a strong cold wind started blowing. So now it's freezing at night again. Yesterday I finished one of my recording projects. So today I did some housework. I did some laundry, and I went to the local spring to get some drinking water. Now I have to get ready for my English lessons in the evening. Tomorrow, I am supposed to go to the dentist again. This time, just for a simple teeth cleaning. But I still don't feel so well yet. My fever and headache are gone. Yay! But my nose is still having some trouble. So I'll cancel my dentist appointment. Maybe I'll change it to next week. I'd better go call them. This is my speaking diary of daily life. It's in easy English, so you can enjoy some listening practice and learn some useful daily conversation. The full text is in the description down here to improve your reading too. So click subscribe and the bell mark below to catch them all. Keep warm!